Hello students, now we are going to continue the same chapter. In the previous class I have told you about cyber safety, what is cyber, what is safety, what are the threats, and how we can how our identity can be stolen by someone to harm our reputation. So today we are going to continue the same topic, but we are going to learn new things, new topics. So see next page number 128. Okay, so next topic is many ways websites track you. Till now so we are just learning how we are insecure when we are a part of internet, when we are using internet, when we are a part of social networking websites, how we are in threat. Okay, so next is many ways websites track you. Track means record. You don't think that when you are visiting the websites you are safe. Okay, when you are clicking on any link, when you are putting the URL in an address bar, your all information passed to third party or ISP. So you are not safe. You should be aware, you should alert. If it is not mandatory to click on a particular link or visit a website, try to avoid it, because as many as times you will click on a link or visit a website, your digital footprints be there. Okay, digital footprints means your traces and records will be there. Now many websites track you. How do we get tracked? Track means record. It is important to understand this. Suppose you are looking for coaching classes online. After a day or so you start receiving mails from various websites that offer you online tutorials, coaching material, and even home tuitions. If you have been observed, if you have visited any website, they have just given you the example. Suppose you have visited for coaching classes online, you will see from the very next day you will start receiving notifications from that website. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why, if you have visited any website for any purpose, why you start receiving notifications from that website? Because they have tracked you. As you will click on a link, जैसे ही आप किसी लिंक पे क्लिक करते हो या किसी वेबसाइट को विजिट करते हो, your IP address, your operating system which you are using, your web browser, everything goes to ISP or the owner of a website. Although you did not surf or register on any of these websites, then how come these websites got the details? It is surprised. You have not registered, you have not done any surfing, but still you are receiving this type of notifications from those websites. So what is the reason behind it? This is because when you surf the net, the websites keep a track of your activities and use the data you share to track you. Okay, means you don't think that you have just visited that website and closed. No, once you have clicked on any link on that website, your IP address, your all the information will be tracked. So be careful. These websites also collect information about the type of websites and pages you are visiting. Once they tracked your visiting habits, they keep on sending notifications according to your habits. Suppose if you are if you are searching for tuitions, if you are searching for flights, you will start receiving notifications in that form. Your location, what you usually read or search, means your visiting habits. This basically can be termed as online tracking. Means whenever you are visiting any website, they keep track of your all the visiting or surfing habits. Now tracking script, उसको हम बोलते हैं tracking. How do these websites keep a track online? Tracking scripts are used for this purpose. Tracking scripts are actually the small codes in the form of cookies. I hope you people have heard about cookies. Cookies क्या होती हैं? These are the very small softwares which stays on the web browser. जैसे Google Chrome है, Mozilla है. So these are the web browsers. So these cookies are hidden in it. You never know. And these cookies keep on tracking your web surfing habits, and sometimes they also track your personal information, because when you visit the website sometimes you put your personal details also, so they keep on tracking. Tracking scripts can be deployed on any website and can track visitors easily. When you visit any website, so you become a visitor. Tracking script identifies the number of people using your site and their characteristics. Characteristics means their visiting surfing habits. These scripts are designed in a way that these can be downloaded and cached safely in a browser. It done automatically. You never come to know that these type of tracking scripts are already hidden in your web browser. There are also many ways available to configure tracking scripts. The most common tracking scripts are Google Analytics and Quantcast. Fortunately, there are many built-in browser options which may save you from tracking. ये जो Google Analytics हैं, ये Quantcast हैं, these are the names of tracking scripts which are used to put on the web browser so that they can track the information about the visitor. The very first way is IP address. IP address क्या होता है? That is the address is of your computer, of your mobile when you are using internet. जब आप इंटरनेट एक्सेस करते हो अपने टैबलेट पे, मशीन्स पे, लैपटॉप्स पे, मोबाइल पे इवन, तो one IP address it is given to you. You can see figure 7.3. This is the IP address. Okay, it consists of 4 string of numbers and this is unique. As if someone wants to address you, how will you address it? You by your address, by your name. In the same way, if you are a part of millions of computers, how a particular computer will be addressed? By its IP address. How do you receive a letter through post? It is because of your postal address. Same example they have given, which is always unique. सबके house residential address क्यों होते हैं? So that it can be easily addressed. वरना आपके घर कोई कैसे आएगा, या अगर आप किसी को फ़ोन करते हो तो आप उसको कैसे करोगे? You should have mobile number of that person and that is always unique. In IP address you can see the first 2 string of numbers can be same and the last 2 string of numbers can be it is unique. Okay, जैसे मोबाइल में फर्स्ट 5 नंबर्स या लास्ट 5 नंबर्स कॉमन होते हैं एंड नेक्स्ट 5 numbers are always unique. The first 5 numbers belong, it shows that it belongs to that particular telephone company. So same with the IP address. Similarly, when the data is transferred from one computer to other in a network, it is done with the help of unique numerical address assigned to the hardware. Means to say, when you are connected to the internet, how you are addressed? You are addressed with the IP address. This is called an IP address, means Internet Protocol. IP address is an acronym for Internet Protocol address. It is similar to our home or office address, but it is also unique. It should be unique, it must be unique. Otherwise, there will be confusion. Whenever you visit a website, the device you use shares an IP address with the website. With the help of this IP address, a website can roughly estimate your geographical location. It is very very important. You should never share your IP address with anyone. अगर आप किसी के साथ अपना IP address share करते हो तो वो आपकी geographical location को estimate कर सकता है. तो be alert. ठीक है? You never know when we visit the websites, our IP address is also tracked. It happens. ऐसा होता है. तो you should be very very careful. उसके लिए क्या solution है? You should do private browsing. Now cookies, या फिर आपको virtual private network use करना है. There are so many solutions we will discuss later. First we will learn what are the threats. Cookies, I have just told you, these are the small software which are sent by the website you visit and you are generated by your browser. ये अपने आप automatically generate हो जाते हैं आपके web browser पे. And when you visit the website, it stays there and keep tracking your visiting or personal information. These are then stored on your device. Cookies are used to track your record of visit to a particular website or web page. A website recognizes you with the help of cookies, which you again visit that website. Similarly, when you use your credit card for any transaction, a cookie will store your login information. Have you seen when you are putting your information again and again? जैसे email है, अगर आप बार बार अपनी email को पुट करते हो तो यू हैव सीन कि आपकी ईमेल कई बार लिखी हुई आती है, यू हैव टू जस्ट पुट द पासवर्ड। इन द सेम वे व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग योर क्रेडिट कार्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन, तो यू हैव सीन सो मैनी टाइम्स इन्फॉर्मेशन इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, वो उसको स्टोर कर लेता है। ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज कुकीज़ आर ऑन वेब ब्राउजर एंड दे स्टोर योर लॉगिन इन्फॉर्मेशन। डिफरेंट वेब ब्राउजर्स हैव डिफरेंट प्राइवेसी सेटिंग्स। You can go to your browser. Browser is a software which help us to access internet, जैसे like Google Chrome, Apple Safari, Mozilla, ये सब web browsers हैं। And choose private browsing. We will discuss हम private browsing कैसे कर सकते हैं। This will provide you control over which kind of cookies you will accept. If you do not want to allow cookies, you may disable them. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन को कोई ट्रैक ना करे तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? You should disable the cookies. There are सिक्योरिटी सेटिंग्स इन योर वेब ब्राउज़र, वहाँ पे जाके आप कुकीज़ को टूल्स में डिसेबल कर सकते हो। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टाइप्स ऑफ कुकीज़। फर्स्ट पार्टी कुकीज़, दीज काइंड ऑफ कुकीज़ आर जनरली यूज टू स्टोर लॉगिन आईडी, पासवर्ड, ऑटोफिल। ऑटोफिल मैंने आपको बताया कि आप जो इन्फॉर्मेशन जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स है, जब आप उसको भरते हो तो वो उसको स्टोर कर लेता है ऑटोमेटिकली, तो आपको बार बार वो इन्फॉर्मेशन डालनी पड़ती है। For the frequently visited websites, for example, when you use your key card to recharge your phone, the site store all login information. All of you have noticed that ऐसा होता है, अगर आप बार बार उस चीज़ को यूज़ करते हो तो वो कहीं ना कहीं ऑटोमेटिकली स्टोर हो जाता है। एंड इट इज़ डन बाई विच कुकीज़? फर्स्ट पार्टी कुकीज़। समटाइम्स दे ऑल्सो स्टोर योर पर्सनल पासवर्ड ऑल्सो। यू हैव सीन जब आप ईमेल के लिए पासवर्ड डालते हो तो देयर आर स्मॉल डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर्स। Do you want to remember this password for this page? So you should always click on remember, क्योंकि अगर आप by mistake yes पे कर देते हो तो it will store your password also, so it is not safe. Third party cookies, these are the cookies that websites store to get details of your search history and web browsing history. इनका third party cookies are the cookies which are interested in storing your web visiting habits. किस तरह की आप वेबसाइट्स को विजिट करते हो। फर्स्ट पार्टी आपकी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन को, ऑटोफिल को, पासवर्ड्स वगैरह को स्टोर करते हैं। थर्ड पार्टी कुकीज स्टोर योर वेब सर्फिंग हैबिट्स। दीज आर मोस्ट ऑफन यूज्ड बाय एडवर्टाइजिंग कंपनीज टू ट्रैक यू अक्रॉस मल्टीपल वेबसाइट्स दैट यू विजिट। क्यों करती हैं? व्हाई दीज एडवर्टाइजिंग कंपनीज ट्रैक योर वेब सर्फिंग हैबिट्स। ये जो मैं कुकीज़ आपको बता रही हूँ, थर्ड पार्टी कुकीज़, दीज टाइप ऑफ ट्रैकिंग स्क्रिप्ट्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड बाय एडवर्टाइजिंग कंपनीज सो दैट दे कैन ट्रैक योर वेब सर्फिंग हैबिट्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दे कैन इंक्रीज दियर प्रोडक्ट्स डिमांड, दे कैन सेल योर प्रोडक्ट्स। ये आज यू नो वेरी वेल टुडे नाउ अ डेज लोग जो होते हैं, नॉट ओनली इन मेट्रो सिटीज़, इन नॉन मेट्रो सिटीज़ ऑल्सो शॉपिंग is increasing online day by day. तो nowadays there is no door to door delivery. पहले क्या होता था? सेल्समैन घर घर जाके सामान सेल करते थे, बट nowadays pattern is changed. Okay, तो they know very well कि all the time we spend online, we keep on visiting surfing habits, we keep on visiting websites. So what they do, they have started tracking all web surfing habits from websites so that they can सेल दियर प्रोडक्ट्स अकॉर्डिंगली। उसके बाद आपने देखा होगा आपके पास उसी तरह के नोटिफिकेशंस, एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आना शुरू हो जाते हैं। तो इट जस्ट कमर्शियलाइज्ड। सेशन कुकीज, दीज आर टेम्परेरी कुकीज डेट आर डिलीटेड आफ्टर यू क्लोज डाउन योर ब्राउजर। तो दीज आर नॉट हार्मफुल इफ जस्ट appears when you open the web browser and after closing the browser. If there is no internet connection, these cookies are also disabled itself. Now super persistent cookies. Super cookies are the type of tracking cookies which are designed to permanently reside on a user's device. These are inserted into an HTTP header by an internet service provider to gather data about the browsing history and habits of users. Super cookies क्या होती हैं? What is HTTP header? देखिए HTTP header क्या होता है? जब यहाँ पे here when you put the address, it starts with HTTP. इसको हम कहते हैं HTTP header. Okay. तो जैसे ही हम HTTP पे कोई URL पुट करते हैं जो हमारा जो ISP, आई होप आपको पता होगा ISP जैसे जियो है, एयरटेल है, ये हमारे इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स हुज सर्विसेज इंटरनेट सर्विसेज वी आर अवेलिंग. तो दे ऑल्सो कीप कलेक्टिंग अवर ब्राउजिंग हिस्ट्री. These are also known as unique identifiers, headers. Unlike web cookies, super cookies are difficult for the you never come to know if super cookies are on your web browser. You never come to know these cookies are accessing or stealing or tracking your information. Users to detect and remove from their browser or device as they can flag which can prevent their detection. So these are very hard to detect. आपको नहीं पता चलता. These cookies are used to target users for specific advertising, promotional purposes, but can be a potential privacy threat. So these are harmful also. Okay. If once these type of cookies enter your system, first thing is that you never come to know these type of cookies are on your web browser and they are tracking your web surfing habits. Second, sometimes you have to compromise with your privacy because they track your very sensitive information like password, credit card details, all that. Without the user's consent, passing such information about their subscribers can be unethical on the part of the ISP. Unethical means ill-mannered. Okay. Now next is HTTP referrer. See, they have given you the example. जैसे मैं आपको जैसे मैंने सपोज कोई वेबसाइट, सपोज आई एम सर्चिंग अबाउट लैंड. ओके, अब जैसे ही मैं इस लिंक पे क्लिक करूँगी, ओके, एज आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक, व्हाट विल हैपन, माई all the information will go to the ISP. My IP address, my location is provided to this website. ये जो मैंने वेबसाइट खोली हुई है, जैसे ही मैं इस लिंक पे क्लिक करूँगी, मेरा IP एड्रेस और मेरी लोकेशन, ठीक है, ये दोनों चीज़ें इस वेबसाइट पे स्टोर हो जाएंगी. और जो भी इस वेबसाइट को मैनेज कर रहा है, ही विल गेट माई इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट सेफ. यू शुड नेवर क्लिक लाइक दिस. इफ इट इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, अवॉइड. क्लियर? दिस इज कॉल्ड HTTP referrer. So HTTP referrer, while browsing a website, when you click on the website link to open the source of information, the data like your IP address, location, machine type, web browser is sent to the linked website. इवन आपके ISP को भी आपकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन रहती है और जो वेबसाइट आप क्लिक कर रहे हो उस पर भी वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन चली जाती है. The website will not only set up a cookie in your browser but also record the URL of the website where you came from. Okay, तो उस लोकेशन को भी ट्रैक करता है. So HTTP referrer can be defined as an online source which increases the visits and the number of visitors to a website. It may include search engines, links from other websites, social media. ये एक तरीका है. ओके, हम ये नहीं कह रहे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट इज़ हार्मफुल. इससे ये क्यों करते हैं ऐसा? सो डैट दे कैन इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स फॉर दियर वेबसाइट्स. दिस इज़ दियर मेन पर्पस. ये होता है HTTP. जैसे ही आप लिंक पे क्लिक करते हो उनके पास सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन चली जाती है एंड दिस इज़ अ वे टू इंक्रीज दियर विजिटर्स. इट में इंक्लूड सर्च इंजन. सबसे ज़्यादा सर्च इंजन्स पे होता है लाइक गूगल, याहू. लिंक्स फ्रॉम अदर वेबसाइट, सोशल मीडिया, ऑनलाइन एडवर्टीजमेंट्स, ईमेल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स एंड लिंक्स बिल्ट इनटू द सॉफ्टवेयर. तो जब हम इस तरह की सर्चिंग करते हैं, जैसे किसी सर्च इंजन पे गए, कोई सी लिंक पे क्लिक किया, व्हेन यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन अ सोशल मीडिया, तो यू आर giving your IP address and location. A referral log is also maintained which can lead to the referring page to the link so that was clicked to reach a new website. तो इन्होंने आपको एग्जाम्पल भी दिया है कि आप जैसे इस लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे, दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विल ट्रैक, विल बी रिकॉर्डेड. अब यूज़र एजेंट क्या होता है? दिस इज़ द फिफ्थ वे in which you can be tracked. User agent refers to the software program such as your browser or a session initiating application, other web calling application. When you initiate a web session, these applications pass your information, application type, operation system, everything. कैसे? जैसे ही आप आपको मैं प्रूफ दे सकती हूँ. अभी मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. इसमें देखो, अब जैसे ये गूगल है, ठीक है, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे माई यूज़र एजेंट लिखूँगी, ये देखिए ये आपको मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, ठीक है। जो मेरा वेब ब्राउज़र है उसका वर्जन, जो मैं विंडोज़ यूज़ कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, जो इस पर जो भी कुछ है, क्रोम है, सफारी है, ये 3 वेब ब्राउज़र्स मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ और ये मेरे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की इन्फॉर्मेशन है, ठीक है। तो ये सिर्फ आप जैसे माई यूज़र एजेंट का काम क्या होता है, ये आपके वेब ब्राउज़र की इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है। तो ये 5th वे है आपको ट्रैक करने का। You can find out the details that are sent by your browser to website by typing my user agent in your browser. You press the enter key similar to the screenshot given below are displayed. Okay, तो इस तरह से ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर है it help us to बाय योर ब्राउज़र टू अ वेबसाइट, मतलब इससे आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि आपकी किस तरह की इन्फॉर्मेशन वेबसाइट को सेंड की गई है। तो दिस इज़ द वे। तो क्या क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरी चली गई है, मेरा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, मेरा वेब ब्राउज़र, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से यू कैन ट्राई। दीज आर सम few 5 ways which this I will not show you because it will show my IP address, so I will not try it. With all these trackers that are mentioned above, a user's browsing habits, device used, interest, identifiers can be tracked. So in this way, these 5 tracking scripts can tell all about your browsing habits, what type of devices you used, क्या आपकी web surfing habits हैं, आपकी identity क्या है, everything is tracked. So the question arises that is there any way by which you can access the web without revealing much yourselves? तो अब आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन होगा कि इफ in these 5 ways our information is tracked, what should we do? We should never visit the website, we should not click on the link. This is not possible, na? We have to do. But there are some tips, there are some ways in which we can hide our identity. Okay, in which way information may be used for tracking your web movements, attacking your profile in the cyber world. So there in the next class I will tell you how we can protect ourselves, how we can prevent from tracking scripts. So we will learn so many new things in which you will find interesting. Thank you.